How I feel about walking into day two is I feel good. The adjustments that I make to day one is some of the spacing I would change. We have like the iPads and things like that for kids to watch the video pretty far away, and that can cause a lot of problems having the most expensive things on an island. I would change that. I'm gonna change the flow. It's a lot of things that I learned from day one that I'm gonna implement in day two. And I just feel good about today. I look forward to it. I got to do another speech. I mean, that's really what it is today. That's what I feel. I feel good. Man, the stage, it went really well. They were very engaging. I didn't even know how engaging they was going to be because outside it's a circus. So it's hard to talk to kids with a theme park right beside them. So the fact that I was able to reach them with that says a whole lot. It really connected with the story, talking about mother, father. They had a lot of engaging questions at the end. So I appreciate them to the highest to even be engaged like that, to follow up social media. I got a lot of follows. They wanted to get on stage. We got photography. We got everything. So the fact that it went like that, with, like I said, with a circus beside it, says everything. So I'm appreciative to get this stage. I'm appreciative to be able to speak to these kids.
I did get to witness Cyrus speak today, and he really did touch a lot of the kids in there. I actually was intercepting questions when he was doing his little questionnaire, and a little boy actually could relate with his story, saying that his uncle in Mexico sold drugs and just got out of prison, and he could relate with Cyrus because his dad, as we all know, his dad sold drugs and everything, so he could relate on that level, and just he was really touched by it.